If you find yourself needing to recover your Revolut account, but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Revolut website. Go to the official Revolut website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot your password or Need help logging in. Step 2. Select Account Recovery options. Once you click on the recovery link, you will be presented with various options for account recovery. Choose the option that allows you to recover your account without a phone number. Step 3. Verify your identity. You may be asked to verify your identity using alternative methods such as answering security questions or providing identification documents. Follow the prompts to complete this verification process. Step 4. Update your contact information. After successfully verifying your identity, you will likely be prompted to update your contact information. Enter a new phone number or email address where you can receive recovery instructions. Step 5. Follow recovery instructions. Check your email or new phone number for instructions sent by Revolut. Follow these instructions carefully to reset your password and regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for further assistance.